Hello, so in this video I'll try to solve one application and extension math from the exercise 4.2. So this is the math, if you can see it. This is the math about the gravity. 55 number first I'll do. So let's give a try. So this math says in physics it is established blah blah blah. So some equation is given by which we can find out the gravity, and there is one variable which is h. You can see this is the h, this is the variable here. Then we have to find out some problem. I hope you have the worksheet, so basically I'll just try to solve it from the worksheet. So I have it here. This is also another worksheet. Let me try it. So the thing is, first our question, the function which is given is g of h equals to 3.99 into 10 to the power 14 divided by 6.374 into 10 to the power 6 plus h whole squared. So this is our given function. So this function is given in terms of h. And then the first question is, what is the acceleration due to gravity at sea level? So a number question is, what is the acceleration? That means what is the value of g at sea level? So at sea level h equals to actually 0. So height is 0 at sea level, because from the sea level we start the calculation. When above the sea level, then height increases whatever we put. So height increases above the sea level. So at sea level h equals to 0. That means now we have to put 0 instead of h, then do the calculation. So for h equals to 0, we have g of h0 equals to 3.99 into 10 to the power 14 divided by 6.374 into 10 to the power 6 plus 0 whole squared. You do not have to give that 0, this is unnecessary, but I just have given it just to show you that this works this way. So I'll just find the answer now in the calculator. Let's try it. First of all, if you can see it, 3.99 into 10 to the power 14 bracket close divided by bracket start 6.374 into 10 to the power 6, then plus 0 you can keep. This is funny, but you can give if you want. Then bracket close whole squared equals to, this is the answer. So the answer is 9.820, if you like, 8 this meter per second square. This is the unit of the acceleration when the distance is in meter and time is in second, and this is given actually in the question also. So this is the answer of A number. Then B number question. B number question is, if you read it in the question paper in the worksheet, then you will have it like this. The Wells Tower in the Chicago, Illinois is 443 meters tall. What is the acceleration due to gravity at the top of the Wells Tower? So in this case, for B number, h equals to given 443. H equals to, I'm just using another number, h equals to 443. So for B number, h equals to 443 meter, we have to use this same function. So g of 443 equals to what? Equals to 3.99 into 10 to the power 14 divided by 6.374 into 10 to the power 6 plus 443 whole squared. This value is actually the radius of Earth. So this is given in the question also. Anyway, so if we do the calculation, then what is the answer we are getting? Let's check it. So if we put all the value here, so you see I am just going back and I will write it 443 here, then let's delete this 0. So you see I actually have written the whole thing here. This is already written here. I just changed the 0. Instead of 0 I'm just using 443. Then the answer is what? Answer equals to 9.8194 or 95 we can write. So the answer is, I can use another color also if you like. So answer is 9.8195 meter per second square. So this is how we do this one. Then C number math is I will not do C number math because B number and C number is exactly same math. I mean just the number difference. In the C number h equals to given in the question. If you read, they said the peak of the Mount Everest is 8,848 meters above the sea level. What is the acceleration due to gravity on the peak of the Mount Everest? So basically h equals to 8848 meter. H equals to 8848 meter. So the same thing, just instead of 443 you will put this value and just do the calculation. Answer will be something else. So basically that's it, and we do not have to do the calculation for this. Now let's try to do the next one. C number I'm not solving it because just you will put the value instead of this 443 you will put this value here, then you just do the calculation, same calculation, same way. Then D number question is what? Question is find the horizontal asymptote of g of x. Now look at the function, original function. This is actually in terms of h, okay? So and this is a proper fraction, and if it is a proper fraction, then basically the horizontal asymptote is, when it is given in terms of x, then it is x-axis or y equals to 0. That is the horizontal asymptote. In this question is given in terms of h, so it will be h-axis. This is the horizontal asymptote. This is why? Because the maximum power is we have to look at the variable. The variable's power is 2 here, and there is no sorry there is no variable in the up. There is nothing, no variable. So that means maximum power, you do not have to look at the number, look at the variable. So maximum power is down here. So if the maximum power is down, then this is called, for the variable maximum power is down, then it is called proper fraction. If it is proper fraction, then horizontal asymptote is x-axis. In this question it is h, that's why it is h-axis. So C number, E number, let me use another color. So E number question, they said solve g of h equals to 0. How do you interpret the answer? Now you see, if you write g of h equal to 0 here, if you write 0 here, then 0 into this number equal to 0. So 0 equal to 3.99 into 10 to the power 6, which is not making sense. When you write 0 here, everything becomes meaningless. Okay, that means there is no solution in this math. According to that condition, there is no solution. That's why this is empty set. This is the symbol of empty set, but or null set. So that means this means there is no solution. There is no solution according to this condition. So basically this is the answer of 55 number. Let me write it here. 55 number math from this exercise number 4.2. I'm just making everything 4.2, and this is Michael Sullivan book, 9th edition, I suppose. And this is this math. I think in another video I will try solving another real life math. All right, thank you all, thank you very much. Oh, can you see all the things? I think everything is more or less okay. All right. Well, thank you very much. Bye bye.